too. You can actually feel like a hurricane pressure right here. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. I'm coming in. Just for info real quick, and then I'll open it.
Yeah, I got you.
So the name, the owner, you said's not you? Go ahead, man.
Owner is Daniel Molden. This is his lovely duckling build. There's 3 ZV5 hybrid 18s, 3 Crossfire XS 8Ks, strapped down to .3.
Nice.
And then there's Sundown Neo Pros all throughout the build.
Okay. Wow. Who built this box?
Daniel Molden.
Okay. Do you know the tunings on the box at all? Or the bandwidth?
Bandwidth roughly 20 to like 45.
Okay.
Is what it'll play.
Wow. I think I've heard this a few years ago.
You might have.
Did you take this? Did they take this out for any reason?
Yeah, they did. He 2-part foamed the roof.
Okay. Got it. What's the alternator battery power?
Battery has 120 amp hour C-Max, and then he has, I believe, 2 Brand X 320s.
Okay. There it is. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. So he's not here today?
Oh, he's still here.
Oh, he is? Okay.
He's just walking around.
Got it. Okay.
I can demo this thing.
Sure, man. So keep this door all the way open.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Door open demo means that you load off of that door.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll catch all the heat.
Yeah. And this is a rear port too. There's a 6th order. So I'm guessing behind that? Okay. I just can't see it. It's dark. Sure, man. What are these amps wired to?
0.7 each, strapped at 0.3.
Okay.
Yeah, it's something weird.
Yep. So 0.7 strap, 0.3 each. Got it. Okay. And what, 120 you said? Or 40, 90? 90, I think. 90. Yeah.
Like that.
Nice.
I'm not seeing that.
Did a really good job. And they built into the vehicle, it looks like, to fit this box in here. Wow. What was the owner's name again?
Daniel Molden.
Daniel Molden, all right. actually feel like a hurricane pressure right here.
And you want to see something that plays lower? That
Yeah.
pumpkin plays lower.
Really? Okay.
Last time you got
Yes,
it.
sir. Wow. I appreciate it, man. Nice. That was down to 22.
Yeah.
Didn't fall off either.
No.
Wow. Thanks, man.